So, why this new channel? Dave, you already have one channel which has got thousands of people, are going to cross even 1 lakh people already. Why a new channel? The reason why we're starting this channel is we observe one problem. I'm sharing a lot of great content in terms of passion, business and sales and all. But the problem is a lot of my followers are not able to consume that content in a structured manner. That's number one. Number two, what is happening is when people are not able to reach to the content, not able to consume the structured channel, then they're not getting the desired results. So we decided that we're going to do something different. We will start a separate channel dedicated only for passionpreneurs, not like the first one, which is more like Care Nation and all the mixed videos are there. This one is purely for passionpreneurs, somebody who is either in 9-to-5 job or already quit the job and looking to build their business around passion. So what are the topics that we're going to cover? We're going to cover various topics in a sequence, in a step-by-step manner. You can visit our playlists and you can see there will be different topics. We will start populating all those playlists, starting from knowing what to do before quitting the job. Second, how to build your social media channels, how to build your brand, how to position yourself, how to brand, marketing, sales, everything that you need to know about passionpreneurs. One interesting thing is, all those videos which you will see are actually from my workshops. Those are the workshops where people have paid me lakhs, and I'm making this accessible to all of you through this channel. Here's what I suggest. When you start a playlist, I suggest you watch the entire playlist if you really want transformation. 6 months from now, if you follow this, 6 months from now, you will be a different person. From all the aspects, you will know more than the 90% of the people in this training and development industry. For people who are just tuning in for the first time and you don't know who Dave Gadhvi is, let me tell you, it took me 16 long years to reach 3.5 lakh per month income. And it took me only 20 months to make 1 crore. And now I'm going to make multiple crores over a period of time. I became the TEDx speaker, Joe Stock speaker. I became the Amazon best-selling author of the book 80% Mindset, 20% Skills. And I was able to achieve all that. It wasn't that easy. I invested lakhs and lakhs and lakhs in my self-development. I learned from people like Dan Law. I met him personally. He reviewed my book as well. I learned from other genius gurus from sales and marketing. I'm going to compress all that knowledge, give it to you in a structured format. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also tell me what is it that we can do better to help you to get more knowledge, what kind of topics you want to cover us. And that is what this whole channel is all about. And make sure that you watch our video, which will come in either once or twice in a week, and it'll be a long form. You have to spend your time, you have to put the effort and take this very seriously, because this can change your life, as it has done for me, as it has done for a lot of my mentees who have paid me lakhs and lakhs and lakhs. It can do that for you. Now the question you must be thinking right now, but Dave, why are you giving all your knowledge, all your secrets for free? Look, I struggled a lot in my career. My father was a truck driver. I want to make sure that nobody struggles as much as I did. I want to give it to you right in the platter. Okay, and I know that more I serve you, more universe will send back to me. Okay, so make sure that you consume this content, make sure you implement those ideas, and if you have questions, leave it in those videos or in playlist or in these videos. I will answer those to you. All right, this is Dave Gadhvi. Thank you and enjoy the YouTube channel. This is Dave Flicks. You would have watched a lot of Netflix, but this is time for you to do Dave Flicks and watch those videos as you watch movies. These movies will change your life. Those movies just will entertain you temporarily. So enjoy the Dave Flicks, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.